Almost 24 hours have passed, but the Indian government has not released any official press release about the recent missile test, while the news media had reported that it was the Agni-5 that was night tested on 15th December, but experts have said that it doesn't look to be a standard ballistic missile test, and seems more like a hypersonic glide vehicle that was spotted across the northeastern states and also from Myanmar and Bangladesh. The missile showed the same launch characteristics as seen in the Chinese DF-17 hypersonic glide vehicle launch in 2018. The missile didn't immediately leave the orbit, and it had a lofted trajectory for a long time and also changed directions, and this hypersonic glide vehicle test could have been a strong message to China that has been provoking India with various border intrusions. To a query on the manufacturing status of Rafale and Falcon 2000 jets in the Dassault Reliance aerospace plant, the Consul General of France in Mumbai has said that 5 parts of Rafale fighter jet is currently being manufactured at the Nagpur facility, and they will be sent to the French assembly line to be assembled in Rafale fighter jets for all global customers including India. He also said that Dassault Reliance Aerospace Limited is making different segments of Falcon 2000, and they have been sent to France to be integrated with the assembly line. US firm General Atomics has said that if India goes ahead with 30 units of MQ-9B drones, it will transfer some of the niche technology of the MQ-9B drones. India is interested in detect and avoid system that will allow the UAV to fly even in civilian airspace, and there will be no need for a separate air corridor for the UAV. India is also eyeing the Lynx multi-mode radar for its indigenous high-altitude long-endurance UAVs that provides high-resolution photographic quality imagery in all weather conditions, and it features synthetic aperture radar, moving target indicator, and maritime wide area search modes. The Minister of State for Defence has said in Parliament that in the last 3 years, India has imported Themis unmanned ground vehicles, warm-meat loitering munitions, close-in weapon systems, 7.62 by 51mm arsenal machine gun, and ground support missile test equipment. He also said that India has also exported 7.62 by 51mm sniper rifle and .338 Lapua Magnum sniper rifle to a foreign country. SSS Defence has again won a contract to supply 610 units of AK-47 modification kits to Northern Command of the Indian Army. That comes after the recent order of 675 units for Northern Command last week. The private sector company had also won a contract for 300 units of AK-47 modification kits from the Eastern Command of Indian Army in November this year. The Indian Army will place a limited series production order for 150 ATAGS in early 2023, and the deliveries will start by the end of 2024. Out of the 2 variants of ATAGS by 2 private sector firms Tata Defence and Kalyani Group, the winning gun variant will get a major chunk of the orders, while the other vendor gets to manufacture the same gun but with reduced orders. The bulk orders will be placed for 600 units in 3 batches, as the total requirement is close to 2,000 units. Cochin Shipyard Limited held the steel cutting ceremony for the 8th anti-submarine warfare shallow water craft being built for Indian Navy. 16 such vessels are being built jointly by Cochin Shipyard and Garden Reach Shipbuilders that will be in active service by 2026 to undertake anti-submarine warfare and subsurface surveillance operations.